Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find the biometrics and security. Here we have to scroll down again. Oh my god. We have to scroll down again and find other security settings, and as you can see here we've got whole credential storage section, and here we've got clear credentials option. So let's tap. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, so simply tap on OK, and if you've got any kind of screen lock set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, here we've got the evidence because this option is inactive. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.